Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the latest gadgets and accessories so you can make informed buying decisions. Today, we're taking a close look at the BTFO charger for the Nintendo DS Lite. This is a compact charger kit that comes with a practical screwdriver, making it more than just a power supply. It's a complete charging solution for your DS Lite without the need for additional converters. The first thing you'll notice about this charger is its versatility. It's designed to work worldwide, supporting input voltages from 100 to 240 volts. Whether you're traveling across the United States, Europe, or Asia, this charger can handle it. That makes it ideal for gamers who are always on the go or for those who simply need a reliable backup charger at home. The foldable plug design adds to its portability. It's lightweight, easy to store, and durable enough to withstand everyday use, so it won't take up unnecessary space in your bag or drawer. When it comes to materials, BTFO has opted for high-quality PC and ABS construction. These materials ensure that the charger is strong, durable, and resistant to damage over time. It's designed to last, which is reassuring for anyone who wants a long-term solution for powering their DS Lite. The included screwdriver is a thoughtful addition, allowing you to perform minor adjustments or maintenance without hunting for tools, which can be especially handy if you're dealing with older consoles. It's important to note that this charger is specifically made for the DS Lite console. It is not compatible with the original DS, DSi, or other Nintendo models. The product description makes it clear that it is not affiliated with or endorsed by Nintendo, so you're purchasing a third-party solution. Despite that, its design and functionality are tailored to fit the DS Lite perfectly, ensuring safe and efficient charging. Overall, the BTFO charger kit is a practical choice for anyone needing a DS Lite power solution that's portable, durable, and versatile. With worldwide voltage compatibility, high-quality materials, and the added screwdriver, it goes beyond just being a charger. It's a thoughtful kit that combines convenience with reliability, making it a solid addition to any DS Lite owner's collection. If you're looking for a charger that can travel with you, withstand daily use, and provide a complete charging solution, this BTFO kit is worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed gadget reviews, and stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.